Traveling and living in different countries, not being a tourist for a few days, really makes you open your eyes and get to see what life is really like in these countries, especially when you interact with the locals and become friends with them, eat the local food and somewhat live like a local. It really makes you realize how biased the media is. And I do believe that is not fair for the people who live in those countries. Actually, I do get a lot of negative messages about my experience. A lot of them are quite hostile and offensive. They even tell me that my videos and photographs are fake. It's crazy how people are heavily influenced by media. I do believe when it is combined with jealousy, hatred, ignorance, racism, politics and religions, these people just become just terrible, devoid of any common sense and empathy. On the other hand, it doesn't bother me. I don't have to prove how good my experience is in a country and its people. If they don't believe, let it be. In a way, I feel sorry for them not to be able to experience life fully, being in the box there, which is, for sure, not so exciting that they have to find a way to release their built-in anger within themselves for not having a positive life.